Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to add a digital Walmart gift card so you can pay for your stuff at Walmart. Like if you're going into the store. So what you're going to want to do is go to the Walmart app, open it up. Then you're going to want to go down to where it says account, which is in the bottom right hand corner. Click that. Then you see where it says wallet in the middle of the screen. Click wallet. After that, you're going to want to scroll down to where it says add new payment method, and then it comes up saying credit card, gift card, EBT, benefit card, or PayPal. So of course you click on gift card, and you literally just add in the gift card number, the PIN, and if you want to give the gift card a nickname. After that, hit save. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because I have one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I entered in my gift card, so I'm clicking on Save Card, and then you can see, done. Card ending in blah blah has been successfully added. So make sure whenever you pay, that's like the first one, because you can have multiple payment methods or multiple cards. Okay, so then when you're in the store and you want to pay with a digital gift card that you just added to your Walmart app, you just open the app and then you go down here to where it says services. And then you see right here where it says Walmart Pay. You click Walmart Pay and there will be a little QR code on like the little pin pad or the screen. And you scan that with your phone and that's how you pay. But again, you want to make sure that whatever you're paying with in your wallet, you want to make sure that that's the first payment method. I have like some old gift cards in here. But again, whatever's the first one is how it'll accept the payment for Walmart Pay. So that's how you add a digital Walmart gift card. Thanks for watching.